Hello. I hope everybody had a good spring break and is ready for the downhill slide of the remainder of the semester. I just wanted to share a few items with everybody based on some course changes. You will note on page 2 of this lesson there's a video, and in your handouts box there's also a new topic schedule with due dates. The due dates are actually the same, but the topics for each lesson has changed. After looking at some of the progress we've been making in class, I've decided that I want to spend additional time on specific topics. Hopefully everybody has completed the exam. The exam was meant to be a learning experience, to review some of the material we've already covered, to introduce a few new ideas, and to basically serve as a check-in mechanism for me. So the next couple of lessons we'll be closing up the material we're supposed to cover. I also wanted to give you some reasons why I've decided to kind of change the process, or the lessons at least. You may or may not remember, but I think I mentioned at the very beginning of the semester, this is a brand new course. This course has actually never been taught anywhere before in the state. It's a brand new environmental prevention course. The course was designed by me, by the North Carolina Prevention Providers Association, and by the Department of Human Services, the Early Intervention and Prevention branch in Raleigh. So they're really the prevention leaders in the field for the state of North Carolina. So we had what we thought was a pretty good topic set in terms of the material we wanted to cover, and we thought that we had a pretty good textbook that could lead us through that. Well, I've been a little bit disappointed with the textbook in terms of some of the material it presents and how it's outlines some of our environmental prevention concepts. While it's very valuable, especially for traditional prevention efforts that might be in the educational setting or individual prevention efforts, it's a little bit lacking on the environmental prevention side. So I think we've been able to take what we can from the textbook at this point in the first lessons, and it's helped us provide a really good foundation. Now I want to start pulling in and supplementing some of the information the textbook does not have. Another issue we've pulled into the mix is Moodle itself, where we're chosen as a pilot class for Moodle. So that not only has complicated matters with having students to learn about a whole new learning system, while they are also being introduced to a brand new topic and a different way of thinking about providing intervention and prevention services to large groups of people, which has more of a sociological base as opposed to individual persons. And most of our topics in the Human Services program is about providing services to individuals, not to large groups of people that might range from 10 to 200 to 300 or so forth. So that's some of my initial thoughts at this point. I'm pretty happy with where we've been able to get to by now. I just want to tweak things a little bit more to make sure we are finishing up strong, as we should. And if you have any questions or concerns, just let me know. Again, page 2 includes information about the new due date schedule, topic schedule. Then the remaining pages of this lesson talks about our topic for this week. Again, hope everybody's doing well, and I'll talk with you soon. Bye-bye.